for you. We still have so many fun things to do here. It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the wrecking ball. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Use the tool to cut the chains. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Keep going. Wonderful. Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Keep going. That's it. Put a patch on it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super! That's it! Keep going. Yay! It works! The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Wonderful! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Awesome! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Awesome! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. You've solved the problem! All done! Now help to assemble Wrecking Ball. That was wonderful! Now we can upgrade the parts. We need to get to the construction site. Let's go! Let's go! going.